Hello, welcome to class today. Now, in our last class, we talked about simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. Now, I defined in that class what simultaneous equation means. That word, simultaneous, is very, very important. Doing two different things at the same time is referred to as simultaneous. If you're doing two things or more things at the same time, those things are done simultaneously. Simultaneously. Now, how does this term simultaneous, how does it relate to the subject matter or mathematics or even what I'm about to discuss? In mathematics, it's possible for you to be asked to find two unknown quantities at the same time. That is where that word simultaneous actually comes to play a huge role in mathematics. Therefore, having that term simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations. Now, in simultaneous equation, what you're doing is you are trying to find two unknown quantities, two unknown variables. You're looking for two unknown quantities or variables. So, in most cases, of course, we use letters to represent those quantities or those variables. So you can use any letter, right? So A, B, C, Y, Z, you can use any of those letters. So for example, let's say we're using X and Y. We're using X and Y as the letters that are unknown in two equations given. So if you're looking for X and you're looking for Y, at the same time, as you're solving for X, you're actually solving for Y. And as you're solving for Y, you're actually trying to find X. That is what simultaneous equation is all about. And so in this class, I will be introducing the method called substitution method to you. Now, I mentioned in the last class that we have two methods that we use in solving, two methods that you actually need to note in solving simultaneous equations. The first is the substitution method, which I love so much, and I'm going to explain. The second is the elimination method. Simultaneous equations you can actually solve. You can use the substitution method to solve simultaneous equations. You can also use the elimination method to solve simultaneous equations. So I'm going to be talking about the substitution method. Substitution method. Substitution method. Now, what is the meaning of substitution?